What is an API? I know that each and every one of you know the full form of API, that is Application Programming Interface. But if you search for this question in any sort of browser like Google Chrome, you will get millions and millions of answers, which might be confusing as well. So in simple words, API acts like a interface or a middleware between two different softwares, which allows us to send request, fetch data, or simply communicate with each other. For example, whenever a new user will sign up in our website or simply register in our website, then his or her data like email or password will be stored inside the database, which is simply connected with our backend. So whenever that user sign in or log in again in our website, then we have to fetch the data with the help of backend. So to check whether the user which is logged in is legit or not, we have to use a database API. So with the help of backend, we will check whether the user is legit or not. And then only we will allow him to access our website or our application.